Welcome to Kundalini Yoga Reset. My name is Raj Gyandeep. Let's tune in, close the eyes, hands in prayer pose. We'll tune in with Om Namo, short inhale, Gurudev Namo. We'll do this a few times. Inhale deep. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deep. Suspend the breath, body relaxed. Exhale. Open your eyes. So today we're going to be doing a short 3-set Kriya to keep the body beautiful. And it has a slight variation on the frog pose that makes it very powerful. We're not doing a lot of frogs, it's more how we're ending the frogs that makes it very powerful, or how we're directing the energy after frog pose. This variation will help rebalance the sexual energy and also balance the prana and apana in your body. So the first part is just breathing, so hands in Gyan Mudra on the knees. You can inhale through both nostrils equally, so you want to breathe a little more intensely. In and out of the nose. Inhale through both nostrils. Exhale through both nostrils. Breathe very powerfully. This is just for 3 minutes. Eyes are closed, looking at the third eye point. Good. Keep breathing powerfully, both nostrils in and out. Last minute. Last 30 seconds. Inhale deep. Exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale. Last one, inhale very deep. Exhale the breath out. Hold the breath out. Don't move. Stay absolutely still. Hold the breath out. Suspend the breath out. Inhale deep. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale the breath out. Hold the breath out. Inhale deep. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold the breath out. Suspend it out. Inhale deep. Exhale. Good, and come standing up for this next one. So this is going to be frog pose. So the ending position is going to be important on this. So you're going to be ending with your chin tucked in a little bit. Your spine is going to be straight. So that keeping the chin tucked is going to direct the energy very directly up into your spine. So this is how we're going to be ending. So the posture on this is your toes and the balls of your feet are touching, and the heels are touching each other the whole time. So just be careful with this. If you have bad knees, just take it slow. So you're going to do, so this is going to be the inhale, legs straight, fingers still on the ground. Exhale down, we're going to do 10. And then we're going to hold, we're going to come down and do the ending sequence. So we'll do them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay down, inhale. Chin tucked, exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale. Last one, inhale deep. Exhale the breath out. Hold on, squeeze the rectum, next. Squeeze the rectum, sex organ, navel, squeeze. Everything, hold the breath out. Good, inhale. Exhale. We're going to do another round. We're going to do 26. So we're going to be, it's easier to do these a little quicker if your knees can handle it, because you can kind of use that bounce to launch you back up. So I'll count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Come down, head tucked or chin tucked. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Suspend the breath out, move on, squeeze. Inhale. Exhale. Come sitting down. So the last part of this. Feet out flat. Push the back of the knees into the ground. Help protect your knees, and the feet are pulled back towards the shins. And very slowly, if you can, grab the toes. If not, just grab the shins, whatever you can, keeping your back straight. You're going to come down, leading with your chest first. And however far you can come down, if it's just here, that's fine. Just close your eyes and breathe. Slow your breath down. Each exhale, so you can go like another half inch and try to relax in that. Just go as far as you can comfortably, but still feeling a stretch. Again, leading with the heart. You can grab the toes, press on the nail bed of the big toe. Keep slowing the breath down. Good, you're halfway there. You're doing great. Good, last minute. Last 30 seconds. Good, stay in position, inhale deep. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale the breath out. Move on, squeeze. Gently come up. Shake up the legs and the pat. And come sitting in an easy pose. And just be still. Feel the renewed energy in your body. Many blessings to you.